Morning students, in this class we will be doing class 10 matriculation syllabus. Okay, already I have completed two sums in exercise 1.1, that is we are doing relations and functions. First chapter we are doing, in that first two sums I completed in exercise 1.1. Now I will do the third sum. Okay, so in this, if B cross A is equal to minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. All these sets are given. That is, in ordered pairs, it is given the set of B and A. B cross A is given like this. We are asked to find the elements of A and B separately. So, for finding that, first thing is, it is given B. Next one is given as A. So, the terms that is the elements in the inside this ordered pairs, all the first elements will belong to set B. So what are all the elements belong to that? We will write once. So minus 2, again minus 2 is there, 0 is there, 0 is there, 3, 3. So what are all the elements you have in that? These minus 2 is repeated one more time, like that 0 and 3 are repeated. So the number of elements in that is only 3. So B is equal to, the elements of B are minus 2, 0, 3. So these are the three elements you have in that B. One more time I will repeat. We are asked to find A and B, that is elements of A and B. What are all the elements that belong? What are all the numbers that belongs to set A and B? We are asked to find that. For finding that, ordered pairs is given, that is given with B cross A. That is, all the first elements belongs to set B and all the second element belong to set A. So we found, we separated that from the given list and we found the elements of B. Same way we will do for A also. So what are all the things we have? 3, 4, again 3, 4 is there, again 3, 4 is there. So 3, 4 is only repeated 3 times. So what are all the elements we have in A? We have only 2 elements, that is 3 and 4. Only 2 elements we have. So if it is given like this, first you need to check. First if it is given A and B, all these things will belong to A. So we have to be very careful in that. Since it is given B cross A, all the elements, the first element will be from set B only. Okay. Now next sum we will do. If A is equal to 5, 6, B is equal to 4, 5, 6, C is equal to 5, 6, 7. So these are the three sets given. So show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So before going into this, already you have studied union, intersection and different varieties of set in your previous classes. Just a recall for union and intersection. Union means you will combine. If they are asking A cross B, what are all the elements in A, what are all the elements in B? If you combine both, that is called union of A cross B. A union B. So here it is given intersection. Intersection means common elements between two sets. That is called intersection. So that only they are asked to find. So before going into this, we will find the Cartesian product of A cross A, B cross B and C cross C first. So first one, A cross A. So this is equal to A cross A. So 5, 6 and 5, 6. So first one is 5, 5 and 5, 6. This is the first one, that is 5 and 6 is there, again 5 and 6. So 5, 5, 5, 6. Then next one is 6, 5 and 6, 6. 6, 5 and 6, 6. Okay, so this is A cross A. Then next one is B cross B. B cross B. Same thing only. Here 3 elements are there. So first one is 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. So we have paired 4 with all the 3 numbers, all the 3 elements in there. Same way 5 also. 5, 4, 5, 5 and 5, 6. So with 5 we have completed. Then the next one is 6. 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. Okay, so here 3 elements are there. So if you find 3 elements for B, again same 3 elements for B. So you will be getting 9 pairs like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you are doing for 2 into 2, you will be getting 4 elements. 4 pairs you will get. Then the next one is C cross C. C cross C. So that one also 3 elements are there. So 5, 5. 5, 6, 5, 7. Then 6, 6, first one is 6, 5, 6, 6 and 6, 7. Then the next one is 7, 5, 7, 6 and 7, 7. So like this you will get 9 pairs. You will get 9 pairs of set we will get. So now what and all we got in the given thing that we found. Then after this we will be doing the given question, that is A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So that is we are asked to find the intersection of B cross B and C cross C. Intersection of this B cross B intersection C cross C. So we will check the intersection of both these sets. So first one 4, 4 is not there. 4 is not there in this. That is intersection means common ordered pairs for B cross B and C cross C. That is the answer for this. So 4, no 4 is there in this. Here 5, 4 is there. So here also we don't have 5, 4. We have 5, 5 here. So 5, 5 is common in this. Then next one is 5, 6. So 5, 6 is also common to both the ordered pairs. The next one is 6, 4. 6, 4 also we don't have. Then 6, 5 is there. 6, 5 is there in both the pairs. Then next one is 6, 6. Okay, so here B cross B intersection C cross C is 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So these are the 4 ordered pairs we got when we find the intersection of B cross B and C cross C. So now we will check it with this. We are asked to show that only. That is A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So A cross A we are having 4 ordered pairs like this. B cross B intersection C cross C also we have say 4. Now we will compare. This is 5 and 5. This is also 5, 5. 5, 6, 5, 6. 6, 5, 6, 5. 6, 6 and 6, 6. So we have showed that LHS, that is A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So this is the thing we have proved. We write hence proved. Okay. Next sum is given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 3, 5, C is equal to 3, 4, D is equal to 1, 3, 5. Okay, check A intersection C cross B intersection D. So first we have to find A intersection C. With that elements we have to find the cross product of B intersection D. Then A cross B intersection C cross D. So we have to find A cross B, C cross D, then find the intersection of both the sets is true. We are asked to check whether the statement is true. Okay. So before doing that, we should know what are all the elements of A intersection C first. So A intersection C. So here you have A and here you have C. So what is the intersection? Intersection means common elements between both the sets. Here 1, 2, 3 is there. Here 3 and 4 is there. So 3 is common to both. That is A intersection C is 3. Then next one is B intersection D. B intersection D. So common element for B and D. So for B is 2, 3, 5. D is 1, 3, 5. So the common elements is 3 and 5 for this. So we got A intersection C and B intersection D. Okay. So LHS is given as A intersection C cross B intersection D. So we will substitute whatever answer, whatever elements we got for A intersection C, we will write that is 3. Then the next one is 3, 5. Okay, so now we will find the cross product of both these things. So that one will be, first is 3, 3. The next one is 3, 5. So only 2 set of ordered pairs we will get for this. Okay, so this is for LHS. The same procedure you will be doing for RHS also. So here A cross B we will find first. Okay, so A cross B. So here you have 3 elements, here you have 3 elements. So 9 pairs of ordered pairs we will get. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 5. First one. Then next one is 2. 2, 2. 2, 3 and 2, 5. So 2 is over. Then next one is 3. 3, 2, 3, 3 and 3, 5. So these are the ordered pairs of A cross B. Same way we will do for C cross D also. C cross D. So C cross D is C and D. Here 2 elements, here 3 elements. So 3, 1, 3, 3 and 3, 5. Okay, then 4, 1, 4, 3 and 4, 5. So these are the ordered pairs we got. So now we will find RHS. So RHS is A cross B. Okay, A cross B intersection C cross D. So we are asked to find the intersection of these two things. Okay, so the intersection of these two things we have to find out. So 1, 2 is not there. 1, 3 is not there. 1, 5 is not there in this. 2, 2 not there. 2, 3 is not there. 2, 5 is not there. 3, 2 is not there. 3, 3 is there. So here 3, 3 is common to both. So we will write that first. First common is 3, 3. Next one is 3, 5. So next one is 3, 5. So these are the two Cartesian product, that is the two ordered pairs that is common to both these things. We are asked to check whether these two are equal. Is it true? So we can write that. So this is the LHS 3, 3 and 3, 5. This is the RHS value 3, 3 and 3, 5. So LHS is equal to RHS. So given equation, given statement is true. Given statement is true. We are asked to check whether it is true or false. Is true. Yes, it is true. Given statement is true. Okay. So with this I am completing this exercise. The remaining sums I will be doing it in the next class. So keep watching. Whatever doubts you have, you post me in the message box. Okay. Thank you.